Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, my friends! Today we are going to discover what's hidden inside each of these slimes. What do we have in the green slime? Green in Spanish is verde. Let's find out what's here. Oh, look! It's Olaf! Look how cute he is! He's adorable! Now let's find out what's in the pink slime. Pink in Spanish is rosado. I wonder what we have here. I think I know what it is. Look at that! It's Tigger! I love Tigger! Look how cute he is! Now all that is missing is the purple slime. Purple in Spanish is morado. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, look! It's Dumbo! I love Dumbo! Look at his ears and that hat! Now we've discovered what's in all of the slimes. Green, pink, and purple. We have Olaf, Tigger, and Dumbo. Aren't they beautiful? I love our surprises. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Until next time. So you don't miss our upcoming videos, don't forget to turn on the notifications.
Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!